Good morning, students. This is our sixth lecture on the topic tangent and normal. Today, we are going to discuss some important terms which are needed in this chapter, as well as the last chapter of calculus, application of differential equation. The terms are known as length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, and length of subnormal. Y equal to fx with a curve. We take a point pxy on the curve this is the tangent pt and this is Pn normal at the point Pxy. We draw perpendicular from point P on axis of x, that is Ps. This length Ps is here y. Let this angle be phi. This is 90 minus phi. The whole angle is 90 degree. So this angle is again phi. Here from figure, this length pt is called length of tangent and st is called length of subtangent. This length pn is called length of normal and this Sn is called length of subnormal. Pt here length of tangent at the point pxy to the curve, and st length of subtangent. Similarly, Pn length of normal and this length Sn length of subnormal. This length Pn length of tangent, length of subtangent pt, here Pn length of normal and this is length of subnormal. We have to find the formula for these four terms. From figure, we take first triangle PST. In triangle PST, first of all, we take cot phi. This is P, this is B, this is H, cot phi, st upon ps. st upon ps, st upon y. This implies st equal to y cot phi. Here tan phi equal dy by dx at point pxy, that is slope of tangent at point pxy to the curve. So cot phi dx dy at pxy. Here we write st equal y in place of cot phi dx dy. Since this is a length, so we take modulus in practice y dx by dy. Similarly, if we have already find the formula subtangent. Now we have to find pt. Here known information is this length y and equation of curve. So we relate this and this. We take here cot phi h upon p, pt upon ps, pt upon y. This implies pt equal to y cosec phi. Y cosec phi means y 1 plus cot square phi. Therefore pt equal y 1 plus dx by dy at point. This is a length, so we take modulus in practice. So we have formula for subtangent y dx by dy and length of tangent y under root 1 plus dx dy. Now we take second triangle PSN, this triangle PSN. In triangle PSN, first of all we take tan phi. Tan phi clearly p by b Sn upon y. So Sn equal to y tan phi, and we know y tan phi means dy by dx. So this implies Sn equal y dy by dx. Again we take here modulus. This is the formula for subnormal. Now we take same sec phi in second triangle. Sec phi h upon b. This length p, this is b, this is h. So sec phi equal pn upon ps, that is y. This implies pn equal to y sec phi. Y sec phi means 1 plus tan square phi under root. Therefore pn y 1 plus dy by dx whole square. We take modulus in practice. This is here st length of subtangent. This is length of tangent. Here Sn y dy by dx, length of subnormal, and this is Pn, length of normal. We repeat the concept again. This is y equal to fx is a curve, pxy is a point on the curve. We want to find the expression for length of tangent, length of subtangent, length of normal, length of subnormal. This is, we draw tangent at point P. Portion of tangent lying between, intercepted between point of contact and x axis is called length of subtangent, and projection of length of tangent and projection of this tangent on x axis, that is st, this is called subtangent. Similarly, portion of normal intercepted between point of contact and x axis, that is Pn, this is called length of normal, and projection of this Pn on x axis, that is Sn, This is called length of subnormal. If we take this angle phi, this angle will be 90 minus phi, so this angle is phi. First of all, we take cot phi in first triangle. This upon this ts, st upon y. This will give st equal to y cot phi. Here tan phi means dy by dx at point P, slope of tangent at point P. So cot phi will be its reciprocal dx by dy at point P. So subtangent y dx by dy at point P. Cosec phi pt upon y. Pt will be y cosec phi. Cosec phi means 1 plus cot square phi, and here we replace cot phi by dx by dy whole square. So pt length of tangent y under root 1 plus dx by dy whole square. We take modulus in practice. This is length of tangent. Similarly, in second triangle we take tan phi p by b Sn upon y. So Sn equal to y tan phi. Sn equal to y tan phi means dy by dx, take mod here. Length of subnormal. Sec phi pn upon y h by b pn upon y. This will give y sec phi. Sec phi means 1 plus tan square phi. So pn equal to y under root 1 plus dx by dy whole square. This is the length of normal. Here so in case of tangent and normal, length of subtangent st equal to y dx by dy mod, and corresponding result Sn Sn length of subnormal equal y dy by dx. We use dx by dy in subtangents and length of tangent, and dy by dx in subnormal and length of normal. Similarly, pt length of tangent y 1 plus dx by dy whole square under root b mod, taking here mod. Since this expression is positive, so we write modulus of y under root 1 plus dx by dy whole square equivalently, and pn length of normal equal y 1 plus dy by dx whole square under root mod, equivalently mod y under root 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Here we observe that in case of tangent, that is length of subtangent, length of tangent, we use dx by dy at point P. In case of length of subnormal and length of normal, we use here dy by dx. Here the point term dy by dx means dy by dx at point pxy. If we take the coordinate of p is x1 y1, So dy by dx means here dy by dx at p x y x1 y1. We take here general point p x y. Similarly, in formula dx by dy means dx by dy at point p x y. Also here y, in all these formula we use y. Y means ordinate of point p x y. If we take here point x1 y1, then y means x1 y1 means y1. If we take coordinate of point p be x1 y1, result will be y1 dx dy at p x1 y1, y1 dy dx at p x1 y1. Similarly, modulus of y1 under root 1 plus dx dy at p x1 y1 whole square, and so on. Now we discuss some question directly based on these results. The first question is, for the curve y equal a e to the power b by x, the subtangent is of constant length. Second, subnormal varies as a square of ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate of point. Here subtangent and subnormal are used here. Here we have formula subtangent y dx by dy at point P and subnormal y dy by dx at point P. Here y means y coordinate of this point, and here we use dx by dy, and in this case dy by dx. So we first differentiate the equation of given curve. Here curve is y equal a e to the power b by x. First, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal a e to the power b by x, a e to the power b by x, again b by x minus b by x square, a e to the power b by x minus b by x square. So minus ab, here we correct the question. Here equation, given equation of curve is y equal to a e to the power x by b, not b by x. After differentiation with respect to x dy by dx, a e to the power x by b and x by b dc 1 by b. So a by b e to the power x by b. We write here from equation of curve e to the power x by b y by a. So a by b into y by a, cancelling a and a, this is equal to y by b. Therefore dy by dx at p x1 y1 or at p x1 y1, let coordinate of point p be x1 y1 or hk or alpha beta. This will be y1 upon b. First part, subtangent, that is length of subtangent st equal y dx by dy at point P, y dx dy at point P means y means y coordinate of point P, that is y1. Here dy by dx at point P, y1 by b. So dx by dy b upon y1, cancelling this and this will be here equal to b. which is constant. So the first part, subtangent is constant length. First part is shown here. Second, subnormal. Subnormal. Sn equal. Formula for subnormal, y dy by dx at point P. Here y means y1 and dy by dx at point P, y1 upon b, 1 by b into y1 square. y1 square means 1 by b into y coordinate of point P or ordinate whole square. Subnormal varies as the square of, therefore subnormal varies as the square of ordinate of corresponding point P x1 y1, hence the second result. Now we take question is here, find the value of n so that the subnormal at any point on the curve x y to the power n equal a to the power n plus 1 may be constant. Here given curve is x y to the power n a to the power n plus 1. Clearly, subnormal. Subnormal means y dx y dx dy at point P. So first differentiating with respect to x, 1 into y to the power n, x into n y to the power n minus 1 dy by dx equal to 0. So n x y to the power n minus 1 dy by dx equal minus y to the power n and dy by dx minus y to the power n, n x y to the power n minus 1 equal to minus 1 by n into y by x, minus 1 by n into y by x. So dy by dx at p x1 y1 minus 1 by n upon y1 upon x1. Here x1 y1 is a point on the curve. x1 y1 is a p x1 y1. Since p x1 y1 lies on 1, so x1 y1 to the power n a to the power n plus 1. So y1 to the power n upon a to the power n plus 1, this is equal to 1 upon x1. We replace 1 upon x1 minus 1 by n into y1 into 1 upon x1 y1 to the power n upon a to the power n plus 1. Therefore dy by dx at p x1 y1 equal to minus 1 upon n into y1 to the power n plus 1 divided by a to the power n plus 1. Therefore subnormal y dy by dx at point P mod, here y1, that is y1, and dy by dx at point P mod minus 1 upon n into y1 to the power n plus 1 divided by a to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon n a to the power n plus 1 into y1 to the power n plus 2. Now here we have to find the value of n so that subnormal may be of constant length. Here subnormal y1 to the power n plus 2, clearly Sn will be constant only if Sn is constant. This implies n plus 2 equal to 0. Sn is constant only when power of y1 this will be 0, that is n equal to minus 2. When n plus 2 equal to 0, this will become 1 and Sn equal minus 1 upon n into a to the power n plus 1. This is constant. So hence result is n equal to minus 2. The next question, find the length of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal at t equal to pi by 4 to the curve y equal to a cos t plus t sin t and y equal to a sin t minus cos t. Here a equal to 0. Here given curve is in parametric form. So first of all we find here dy by dx, we know dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt means a minus sin t plus 1 into sin t plus t cos t divided by a cos t and dc of cos t minus sin, that is plus sin t. A to a, cancelling a to a, equal to t cos t divided by cos t plus sin t. Here given equation in parametric form, we write these two as ordered pair. A cos t plus t sin t, here this is y equal to a cos t t sin t and x equal to a sin t minus cos t, so dx by dt minus t cos t plus sin t. Here we write the equation of curve in parametric form as a ordered pair. Here x coordinate a sin t minus cos t and a cos t plus t sin t. B say it point t because t is a parameter here. If we take this ordered pair as point P on the curve, so at t equal to, when t equal to pi by 4, this point P will be a sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, that is 0, and a cos t plus t sin t. Cos t plus t sin t 1 by root 2 a 1 by root 2 plus pi by 4 into 1 by root 2, that is 0 a 4 root 2, here 4 plus pi. Now dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 into 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2, so pi by 8. So dy by dx at this point, this is pi by 8. Now length of tangent, that is pt. Length of tangent pt, we have formula y 1 plus dx dy whole square under root. Here y means y coordinate a 4 plus pi upon 4 root 2 under root 1 plus dy by dx at point pi by 8. So dx by dy 8 by pi 1 plus 8 upon pi 64 by pi square a by root 2 1 plus pi by 4 pi square plus 64 under root upon pi. So equal to a upon pi root 2 into 1 plus pi by 4 under root pi square plus 64. This is length of tangent and length of subtangent y dx by dy at point P. Here y means y coordinate of point a 4 plus pi upon 4 root 2 and 8 upon pi, that is 8a upon root 2 pi and 1 plus pi by 4. So length of tangent, length of subtangent. Similarly, length of normal, that is Pn, y 1 plus dy by dx at point P. Here y means a 4 plus pi upon 4 root 2 under root 1 plus dx by dy, that is pi square upon 64, that is here a upon 64 8 root 2 1 plus pi by 4 and under root pi square plus 64. This is Pn, length of normal, and length of subnormal y dy by dx at point P. This becomes a 4 plus pi upon 4 root 2 into pi by 8. So we have calculated here length of tangent, length of subtangent, length of normal, length of subnormal. That's it.